Remember to read the dua. What is the dua? You say, in the name of Allah, I go to bed and I shall rise. Subhanallah. Or there is a beautiful dua that I want to say of the Prophet ﷺ. Bismika Allahumma wada'tu jambi wa bika arfa'uha. In amsakta nafsi faghfir laha wa in arsaltaha fahfadha bihifdhika alladhi tahfadhu bihi ibadaka as-salihin. In the name of Allah, in your name, O Allah, do I recline, do I put my side on my bedding, and by your name I shall get it up in the morning. If you decide to take my soul away at night, have mercy on it. And if you decide to send it back on earth, protect it in the same way that you protect your pious slaves. What a beautiful dua. Get used to reading it. Perhaps it may help you to develop better dreams. May Allah grant us goodness.